Here are the signs that the PATS system or passive anti-theft system on your 1999 to 2003 Ford F-150 is going bad. Number one, intermittent no start. You turn the key, the dash lights up, but the engine won't crank or it fires for a second and it dies. Number two, flashing security light. If that red light is blinking fast on your dash when you try to start it, that usually means the chip inside the key is not talking to the receiver ring around your ignition. Number three, start sometimes, dead the others. That's normally the little ring that goes around your ignition, also known as a transceiver, going bad. Number four, you get a new key and that won't program. If it's a fresh key and it refuses to learn, the issue is usually the PATS reader or the security module, not the key itself. So if you're seeing any of these symptoms on your Ford vehicle from late 90s to early 2000s, check the PATS key reader before checking anything else. I do keep verified OEM transceivers in stock.